my god, let's see. Is the truck okay? I didn't see anything.
How you doing? Well, two things. One, they need to see the permit. Gotcha. And
what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're out here with Jason and his GX. He just got it back from the impound lot because he parked in a shitty spot. So we're gonna go hit some trails out here in like Wolverine Pass or Usury Pass out here in Bulldog Canyon. So we're gonna go have fun, do American things, go off-road.
You have water per channel? Hey, Chevy coming out of it.
Probably should have put it in 4 low. Would have helped out a little bit. Who put that rock there to hit my bumper on?
Gosh, that was loud.
Did I dent it? I hope not.
Oh, let me see actually. Definitely not pretty anymore.
Oh, brother. Ah, she's good.
Perfectly fine.
Okay, man.
It's perfect. Oh, it's easy. I don't got the right shoes for this.
Ew. Alright guys, that was pretty sick. Honestly, the GX is getting down. Rear flex, honestly, not that good because he was three-wheeling on that little spot, but other than that, like, she's a ripper. Seems pretty dang smooth, crawled up most of those spots pretty easy, but we're gonna try to make it down to the water so we can take a dip because it is 104 right now. But I'll catch up with you guys when we find some new obstacles and some cool stuff. So far, trail's been cool, and I think Jason's spirits are up from his GX getting towed off to the trails. So let's have a good day.
I can't see this rock on this side.
You're good though. You're good for now, yeah. Just to get as close as you can on this side right here. You have to get a little faster, a little faster.
More passenger?
Yeah, more faster. You're gonna hit your fucking bumper. Yeah.
You said a little passenger.
Okay, a little bit more than that. Yeah, right there, right there. Okay. Now go straight. Straighten out though. Yeah. Straight right there. Yep.
What?
No, you're good.
Okay, jeez, you're freaking scared me.
Oh, maybe turn that locker on? Try it out, see if it works. What does it say?
If it's blinking, is it on?
No, if it's solid.
Do I put it in neutral first, do you think?
No, Toyota, you gotta go backwards and forwards and a bunch of shit to make it engage. What does it say now? Engage? Oh, I think I heard it. You good?
It says VSC off. I don't know what that means though.
That's probably good.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah, there you go. Alright. A little, just straight right there. Straight right there. You good, you good. Okay, good. Now go a little passenger. Yep, keep that, keep that. Okay, once you get past your front pass, just straighten out. Slowly. Now just straighten out, straighten out.
Oh, I can't straighten out.
You can't straighten out? What about now? No?
Okay.
Okay.
You want to check the other side?
Yeah, I need to figure out how to get around this. I'm stuck now. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, goes Pat.
Driver or passenger?
Driver, my bad. Perfect. Now straight right there. Slow. Woo-wee. Perfect. Now watch that back. How's the back look? Golden, dude. Yeah. Money. Dude. Oh my God, we're good. Oh my God, we're good. Dude, the fucking mount snapped off because I'm supposed to have 4 instead of 2.
Oh.
Dude. It didn't bust my bed though. You see that?
Oh yeah.
Dude. Oh my God, let's see. The truck okay? I didn't see anything. Any dents. Because this happened to my buddy Parker, and his fucking came down and went wham, right on the bed and dented it. Dude.
It's not this, right? This.
No, that was already there. Oh, I ripped the channel on the GFC though.
Holy shoot.
Damn. That's okay.
So you're supposed to have 4, not 2?
Yeah. I was being a cheap bastard. Dude. Well, the beach is literally right there.
The beach?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yeah, what do you think?
What a spot.
What a spot.
What a spot.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. And now the people are coming around. How's it look?
There's a beep right there.
Jump, belly flop. Belly flop,
I
dude.
think I'm gonna go over there.
All right, everybody, we made it down to the river, the Salt River right here. This is Jason's first time being to the Salt River, right? Yeah?
Ow!
First time?
Yeah, first time.
Yeah. First time at the Salt River for him, and this spot's pretty sick. Look at that shit. Pretty dang cool. This spot's actually one of the rapid areas where everybody likes to fall off and eat shit into the side. That's why there's a bunch of stuff on the side right here I'm gonna take home and throw away because disrespectful. But we're gonna kick it here a little bit and relax and dip my dogs in the water and enjoy America's freedom.
I kind of like that side.
All right, everybody, we just got done dipping our toes in the water, and we're gonna go hit some trails. Hopefully find some sweet obstacles on the way out here. I'm not really sure. I haven't been this way in a long time, but the river is flowing, which is nice for Arizona. But come check out the awning right here. So, a long time ago in one of my old vlogs, Parker, he had the tan Z71. He broke his awning off the bed rack he had, and it came down swinging. Smoked his bedside, and yeah, so mine did smash off like you saw in that clip. I was ripping down the water. That's totally my fault because I am technically supposed to have 4 GFC clamps, but I only had 2 because I'm cheap as fuck, and I didn't do that, which probably in the long run I should have done. But yeah, the extrusion is a little messed up right here, if you guys can tell. The extrusion is a little smoked. I'm gonna have to tap that with the hammer and kind of paint match it. That's the only one that's really bad. Come over here, this one's not too bad on this side, but the bed side survived. It like flopped down on the soft side and came down. But I'm just glad I don't have a giant dent on my bed like Parker, so that's cool. But yeah, I'm gonna go take a piss, and then we're gonna go rip it around into the desert and have some fun. So stay along. Alright guys, to be honest, I wasn't going to post this part of the video. I was, but I decided, you know, I'm an honest guy. I'll tell you guys, I got a ticket. I got a ticket for off-roading on a trail that was apparently closed. I didn't know, and apparently they were patrolling like crazy on July 4th, and they saw me and Jason roll up on I guess a closed trail, and got slapped with a $280 ticket. I did have my Tonto pass, so you know, I was following the rules. I just took a wrong close trail, I guess, which is, I mean, I call it kind of bullshit because it looked like it was been totally maintained. It was all good and whatnot, but you know, it was a closed trail apparently. I did not know that. But yeah, guys, make sure to follow closely to closed trails and open trails. There was no, I didn't see no signs, or it wasn't even gated off or anything, so kind of weird. But you know, we got a ticket. We got to pay it, $280 on July 4th, or no, on on July 4th. Ticket for doing the most American thing on July 4th. We got a ticket, so yeah. But that ends this video. It was a fun time wheeling with Jason. Nothing too crazy. Just, you know, he just got that GX and is kind of feeling things out. So we had a fun time out there. But make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the hype button. Once you hit like, it shows up as hype. So you hit the hype button also. You can do that 3 times. Helps me out, small creators and everything. But we got some fun videos coming out soon. It's actually going to be my bachelor trip pretty soon. So we're going to do a little wheeling and camping for my bachelor trip. And yeah, guys, I love you guys so much. Peace out. Talk to you later. Bye.